Hello everyone! The Humphead Wrasse, also known as the Napoleon wrasse, is a truly magnificent creature of the coral reefs. This large fish, which can grow up to 2.3 meters in length and weigh over 190 kilograms, is easily recognizable by its prominent forehead bump, which is more developed in males. The Humphead Wrasse is found in the tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, where it plays an important role in maintaining the health of coral reef ecosystems. Humphead wrasses are not only impressive in size, but also in their intricate social structure. They are highly social animals, often forming large schools. Within these schools, there is a clear hierarchy, with dominant males typically occupying the highest positions. These dominant males are responsible for defending the territory and attracting females for spawning. These fish are primarily carnivores, feeding on a variety of invertebrates such as crustaceans, mollusks, and echinoderms. They use their powerful jaws and teeth to crush the shells of their prey. Humphead wrasses are also known to feed on smaller fish, including other wrasses. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the coral reef ecosystem by controlling the populations of their prey species. Humphead wrasses are protogynous hermaphrodites, meaning that they are born female and can change sex to male later in life. This sex change is typically triggered by social factors, such as the removal of the dominant male from the group. Humphead wrasses typically reach sexual maturity at around 7 years old. Spawning occurs in large aggregations, with females releasing millions of eggs into the water column, where they are fertilized by males. The larvae of Humphead wrasses are planktonic, meaning that they drift in the ocean currents for several weeks before settling to the bottom. Humphead wrasses are a long-lived species, with an estimated lifespan of up to 30 years. They are also slow-growing and have a low reproductive rate, making them vulnerable to overfishing. In recent years, the Humphead wrasse population has declined significantly due to overfishing for its meat, which is considered a delicacy in some parts of Asia. The Humphead wrasse is now listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Humphead wrasse from extinction. These efforts include establishing marine protected areas, regulating fishing practices, and raising public awareness about the importance of this species. Marine protected areas provide safe havens for Humphead wrasses to breed and grow, while fishing regulations help to limit the number of fish that can be caught. Education and outreach programs are also crucial for raising public awareness about the importance of conserving this species. By working together, we can help to ensure the long-term survival of the Humphead wrasse and the health of the coral reef ecosystems that they inhabit. That's all for now. Goodbye.